Meet AirSelfie2, the first HD pocket-sized flying camera ever created. So thin and light, you can use it everywhere you go. Enhance your phone with the ultimate photo and video accessory. Taking selfies becomes easier and even funnier. So revolutionary that adapts to every lifestyle. Share images on your social media has never been so quickly through the easy-to-use app. Advanced technologies and high-quality components embedded into a ultra-durable case. Create amazing memories of your best moments with AirSelfie2. Its anti-vibration and in-flight stability systems always guarantee great video and photos. Available in 4 different colors to suit your personality. AirSelfie2. Small is the new big.